up, what's up? This is a tutorial for mobile-friendly jet or flight mechanics. And of course, the original mechanics is from LavaFlows. And I made some modifications on this to make it mobile-friendly. Recently, I uploaded a tutorial video on this jet mechanics, but it's for PC users. But you need to watch it, guys, because you need to build the original mechanics first. And of course, again, the original is from LavaFlows. You can see the video on how to do it in the video that I recently uploaded, or you can watch his full video on his channel. I will put the link on the description or in the comment section. And guys, you can use red jet turbine if you don't have the purple ones. So here it is, the original mechanics. And we gotta modify this for mobile users. So delete these servos, replace them with wheels, and place wheels like this. With move 0.5, place hinge like this on the wheels. Place block on the hinge. Clone these blocks with move 5, one time upwards and one time downwards. Place suspensions between these blocks. Place block on the wheel block. Scale blocks 2 times upwards and downwards. Then scale these blocks to connect to the other blocks. Place block on the wheels, must be at the center like this. Scale using 0.5. Scale to make sure it's attached to the wheels. Then scale to connect to this block. Change wheel speed to 10 and wheel torque to orange. And for the servo, you can delete this. And make sure the jet is connected to the blocks. Place a piston at the center of the mechanics. Place a block on top. And move the block one time with move 2. I suggest to make this block the center of your build. And I also suggest build with light materials. But don't worry, you can still put mechanics on your build, just like this. See, these have propeller, powered by wheels of course. And make sure to turn off collision of all the mechanics blocks. And add a separate switch for the piston. And also, if needed, yes, if needed only, check reverse spin of the wheels. And increase servo speed to 10. And of course, bind the mechanics to the car seat. Make the mechanics transparent too. And of course, save it and then reload if you are going to use it now. And before takeoff, press the piston switch first so the jets will be at the center of your plane. Cool, right? Look at this in mobile, guys. Alright! By the way, thanks to my son Ethan Hawk for flying this aircraft. So this is not perfect, but still, very useful, and mobile users can finally enjoy more with their builds. Especially with a build with tons of mechanics. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. And please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!